Have you ever wondered how we measure pips on TradingView? Like calculate the pips, like how much profit in pips you are or how much loss in pips you are? Stay tuned. Let me show you how. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's your first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand. TradingView Thursdays. You know we do it on a Thursday, right? So today we're going to take a look at how do we measure pips on TradingView. Let's dive straight into it. Alright, watch me now. Taking the example of the chart that we mark up on Sunday, right? NJ. So there are three ways how to measure pips on TradingView. Let's look at the first one. The first one you could do is to come to the measuring tool right here, right? This little ruler right here, right? Gonna click on it, bam, right? Say that you want to know when it retested right here, right? How much pip is that? You could just do like this, bam, click there, and then just drag your mouse all the way down. See that says negative 242.8, that's the pips, right? Go back up, right? 185 pips, right? 128 pips, right? And so on. So notice it's going in negative, but suppose you want it to go up, notice it's going in positive, right? From where you click the mouse, right? 103 pips from that era, right? 195 pips and so on. So this is how you measure pips, right? You can do the same thing again. Let's go right here. So you want to measure from here to here, bam. That was from here to here, 214 pips, 210 pips thereabout. I can hardly see beneath this, but you get a picture, right? Let me drag it down so I can see better. Let's try it again. Bam, from here to here, right? Call it 300 pips, right? Alright, so watch me now. Second way, right? You can hold on and shift, right? So hold on and shift, right? Click the area on the chart that you want to start and just drag your mouse down, right? While holding down on shift, right? If you let go of shift and click it, bam, it's off, right? Same thing again. Hold on and shift, click the area that you want, bam, right? If you don't hold on and shift and try to move, then it won't calculate, right? And finally, you can come here, right, to the prediction tool. Say that you want to go for a sell, right? Say go short, bam, click here, right? When you look at it, this is like 46 pips, so you're 46 pip in stop loss, right? And then bam, if you want to come all the way down here, that's 230 pips thereabouts, right? They're bringing 230. All right, so using the prediction tool is a way of trying to measure pips in the future. That's why it's called a prediction tool. So you can use a measuring tool to measure pips in the past, right? And the prediction tool to measure pips in the future. Thank you guys for watching. And if there's anything on TradingView that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go and big up yourself and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.